Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to talk about you asking questions with your instructor when you're on driving lessons. If you're new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and let's get going. When you're on your driving lesson, do you ask questions a lot with your instructor? Or are you too shy? You know, some people are quite shy. They're a little bit scared to ask a question like, what happened to my car? Why is it cut out? In the first few lessons. A good instructor will probably explain things to you straight away. Oh, that's because of you lift the clutch too quick. They'll say to you, oh, you didn't put a power on, you didn't find the biting point. But as you get into your driving lessons, you need to not be afraid to ask them questions, because you're going to get used to your instructor next to you, whether it's a woman or a man. You're going to get used to them helping you become a better driver. And it's important to ask questions, because if there's a question, no matter how easy that question might be, it's important to you. And it could be something as simple as, why did you ask me to give way then when that car was coming? Because I thought I could make that. And they'll probably tell the answer, well, the speed we was going was too slow compared to the speed they was approaching, and their experience is telling you at that point there you should be giving way. Right? That could be the answer, simple as that. Or it could be something else, I don't know. But the important thing for you as the new learner driver is for you not to be afraid to ask your instructor for help, because they're there to help you. And I know this might sound, oh well, they're going to help me because that's what I'm paying them for. But if you've got a knowledge gap in any subject, whether it be roundabouts, meeting situations, manoeuvres, the process on the driving test, you need to ask these questions. And a good one to do is, some people don't think about the problem until they're out of the car. So everyone's got a mobile phone or a piece of paper. If you think of a question to do with your driving lessons, or you're preparing for your driving test and it's outside the car, make a note of it on your phone or on a piece of paper. So when you take your next driving lesson, you come along with your questions and you ask your instructor, because they're going to answer them, aren't they? Because at that point you're on your driving lesson. Don't be starting to text people when you're not on the driving lesson, because they're probably not going to answer them because they're on another driving lesson somewhere else. And besides that, at that point they're not with you, are they? They're not on your time. So when you are thinking about asking questions, ask questions on the lessons. So ask questions there and then. That's the best time to do it. And if it's outside the driving lesson, make a note on a piece of paper on your notes on your mobile, so that when you meet up with your instructor next, you can ask these questions. Because the more answers you get, the better your knowledge is going to be, and the better you are going to prepare for hazards ahead of you and develop your sense of, I know what I'm doing now, and your confidence will grow at the same time. Okay, good luck on your driving lessons, and remember, you're there to learn, so ask. Take care.